BC, and Joy Spoon was born after that. So October 23, we launched Joy Spoon.
You have like raised funds from where and how? Like what's the process if founders want?
So I think for us, raising the funds was not a objective that we were carrying, and it happened organically. We were in one of the summits like these. Being a CA, I was in Startup Sphere by ICI, and there I met Yagnesh, who's the CFO at 100x. He's also a CA.
First is hustle and hard work, second is financial discipline, and third is team building. That is important to create a big brand into D2C or even in the other sectors, right? So hi everyone, today we are here with someone very special, the founder of Joy Spoon, Mr. Yash. So today we are going to know about the mukhwas industry. Like the Joy Spoon is all about blending and creating new types of mukhwas. So and would like to I think it would be better agar hum log Yash se पूछे what mukhwas is, how big it's the industry in India, and like he's a chartered accountant also, so you can see the the big brains behind Joy Spoon. So Yash, we would like to know more about Joy Spoon.
So basically, Joy Spoon, as the name suggests, is about joyful spoons. The tagline is "The day deserves little moments of joy," and that is what we brought to people's plate. In this world where we are busy with stress or daily working, deadlines, so much to do digitally, physically. So we thought that, big celebrations, everyone is celebrating, right? Big festivals, there are so many big brands celebrating it. But what about little moments of joy? Just sitting with your brother, sister, husband and having that bits of mukhwas after our meals, or remembering that how do we fight with our brothers कि आम पापड़ तूने ज़्यादा खा लिया मैंने कम खाया, या all those smaller moments is what was the derivation of this name. And spoon of course signifies food. So Joy Spoon is all about mouth fresheners and mukhwas, which is an old product brought in a new form. So generally people of our age or a lot of people in today's world are not able to relate, because they feel mukhwas is something traditional, mukhwas is something consumed by my parents, and because of essence, flavors, supari, and so much of colors and sugar being used, nobody wanted to use them. And we felt, being a health freak myself, I have been a consumer of good food throughout my chartered accountancy journey after I moved out of my native city, which is Pali in Rajasthan. So I felt that this product carried a significant value, and whoever was with me when they tried this product, because CA में कैसा होता है, अर्ली मॉर्निंग क्लासेस है, अब 6 बजे आप क्लास में बैठे हो, इतना एक तो हैवी लेक्चर, तो आपको कुछ मंच करने के लिए अगर मिल जाए साथ में, तो it makes the journey easier. वो 3 घंटे का जो
yes, like you have completed your CA, but उसके बाद D2C इंडस्ट्री में आना और मुखवास, it's such a unique product कि इसमें भी एक ब्रांड बनाया जा सकता है. तो ये कैसे आइडिया आया, and why you choose D2C after completing your CA, not the traditional practice and other businesses?
So while I was doing my CA, I was very clear कि I am not a person who can sit on the desk and do audit and tax, or travel also was there while I did my audit. तो जब मैं KPMG, महाजन आइब्रा में दोनों टैक्स और ऑडिट दोनों फील्ड्स कर रहे थे, I was like, this is not the field that I am interested to do throughout my life. So I was very clear, after finishing my CA, I would do something on my own which I am interested in. And I explored. It was not just after CA that I was clear that I'll start something. So I took a year's time. I traveled to a lot of countries. I traveled solo to a lot of places in Europe. And there I realized, because this product was with me always, people love this product, not just Indians, but even people abroad.
मतलब बाहर, इंडिया के बाहर भी लोगों को मुखवास, उनके लिए कुछ नया था.
No, उनके लिए trail mixer था. It's like a mixture of seeds and nuts. So for the Western world, it's a trail mixer. For Indians, it is a mukhwas. So they also love the product, and that is when I realized, this is such a great Indian invention. It has been. You have
found the gap over there or what?
No, so I realized the gap was over here also, but I knew that this product is responding very well in foreign territories as well. But since I was a health freak, I came back. Then food was not an industry. Being a CA, we did not know much about food. So I and my childhood friend Raj, we researched a lot, and then we started a D2C brand for good food.
Okay.
While doing that, we realized that rather than doing the good food as a whole category, why not just focus on one niche, which is our specialty? So Vaishali, who is my co-founder and wife also. So Raj, Vaishali and me, all three are childhood friends
Okay. Great.
from the same city, studied in the same school.
Okay.
And she had a lot of these recipes. Raj's mom gave some recipes, and Vaishali's mother and Nani is a good cook.
Okay.
So they gave a lot of these recipes through which we started doing this category. And when we saw people's response, they were amazed to try special products in this category, which is a better for you product, a lot healthier than the mukhwas that is currently
Okay.
there in the market. And we realized that this is a niche. There are, more than 95% of the market is unbranded in India.
Yeah.
It's a more than $1.2 billion डॉलर कैटेगरी इन इंडिया 10-12 हजार करोड़ का मिनिमम मार्केट है मुखवास का
Okay.
इंडिया
और कोई बड़ा ब्रांड नहीं निकल गया है।
ब्रांड नहीं है या किसी ने प्रॉपर न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स के साथ बनाने की कोशिश नहीं
नहीं
की
करी
है
है।
सो हमने सोचा माउथ फ्रेशनर एंड मुखवास जो हर कोई जानता है इट इज नॉट जस्ट बच्चे बड़े एवरीवन हैज इट
Everyone has.
एंड सिंस इंडिया इज मूविंग टुवर्ड्स अ मोर ब्रांडेड हाइजीनिक स्टोरी बेस्ड दिस थिंग एंड प्रोडक्ट ऑफ कोर्स इट हैज टू बी स्ट्रांग सो हमारे पास वो सब कुछ था तो वी रियलाइज दिस in last May after I got married. So we thought कि अब कुछ scalable ज़्यादा करना है and we ideated and in August we raised funds from 100x BC and Joy Spoon was born after that. So October 23
Okay.
we launched Joy Spoon and today as we sit we just launched the new packaging which is the actual vision of Joy Spoon that we wanted.
Yeah.
Something new age, vibrant, something that you must try.
Okay, that's really amazing. So, Yash, like in India, Indian startup ecosystem, we want to know कि bootstrap रहना चाहिए, funding raise करनी चाहिए. तो I would like to ask you. Recently, you have raised funding. So, would like to know like from where and how much, or like how's your experience after raising funds?
See, being a Marwadi, coming from a business family, a lot of people say that why, my parents also were like, why do you have to raise funds?
Okay.
अपने घर का पैसा लगाना है. Why do
लगाना
you, but I think it is not just about the financials. It is also, finances are of course important, but these funds or these managers, if they are able to add a lot of value to the vision, the value, in fact, a lot of people for our investors have also opened a lot of verticals for us.
Okay.
So that is not something that, of course, you can build it organically.
मतलब पैसा आ रहा है तो वहाँ से network भी आ रहा है, mentorship भी आ रही है,
a lot of visions, connections are there. And then of course they are also involved in a lot of these processes, which if you do on your own or with your own funds, you'll take time. But somebody who's invested in the skin and then they have the skin in the game because their funds are invested, so they would put in a more effort. And then in today's time is important, right? You cannot be like earlier times brand used to take 5 years, 10 years, a decade's time to be made. Now it has cut short because so much of content is flourishing, so much of brands are coming in. So you need right amount of funds, you need right set of investors, you need right connections to build it faster, to hasten up the process, and that is what this adds. So I feel.
So you have like raised funds from where and how, like what's the process if founders want?
So I think for us raising the funds was not a objective that we were carrying, and it happened organically.
Okay.
We were in one of the summits like these. Being a CA, I was in Startup Sphere by ICI.
Okay.
And there I met Yagnesh, who's the CFO at 100x. He's also a CA. And what we realized when we met, he was just randomly told that he tried the product, he loved the category, and he said, Yash, why don't you apply for our class 10, which is all online.
Okay.
So Vaishali and I were like, we always taken okay, chalo, if somebody's saying let's do it, let's see what comes out. So we applied for class 10, and within 5-10 days they reverted. We had our first interview. For our second interview, within a month they called us to Bombay, and on our second day in the second interview in Bombay, they gave us the term sheet. So for 2 days, they of course judged us, our capacities, what we'll be able to do, how much we know about the industry, and I think good thing about them is they are very fast. Founders have to wait 6 months, a year, do these process, ye process, wo process. 100x has got a fixed set of mechanism, fixed set of terms, fixed set of so many startups and their legacy that you don't have to think about it much. So that way it was very helpful, and it was within 20 days the funds were in our account.
Okay.
So that is what I feel, finance coming in faster so that founders can devote more time in their businesses is
things should be faster. Things
Fast.
will be faster if you get the.
So that happened with 100x, and I think anybody who, it's a very simple process. If you want to apply for 100x, they have their classes. You can go online, apply for the applications, and they're very fast and rewarding. So that is our experience of fundraise.
So
and
100x is one of the like best platform you would suggest if you.
yeah, for
want
us
to
they've
raise funds.
been very good, and then after that you go 1 month, they call you to Bombay. So this is like a class. So there are 15 startups. It is not just us, and everyone is in the same class. Everybody gets the same fund at the same conditions, and you learn with them. Then 100x sits with you, financial modeling karte hain. You meet the well-known people from the industry, founders also, investors also. पूरा एक महीना बॉम्बे रहते हैं, and you meet, and पूरा आपका startup का सब कुछ pitch and सब कुछ set होता है. And then they have a pitch day wherein they call their network of all investors कि this is a class we have already invested in. Now if any one of you wants to invest, you can. So that is the set process, and I think that was very helpful. That gave us a lot of confidence, a lot of insights. When we started, we had a separate proposition in Mukhwas. Then we discussed a lot, and we came out कि हमको इंडिया का सबसे पहला टेस्टी एंड क्वालिटी माउथ फ्रेशनर ब्रांड बनाना है, कुछ और नहीं सोचना है हमको. सो दैट ऑल प्रपोजिशन कम्स आफ्टर अ लॉट ऑफ डिस्कशंस हु आर द वेटरन्स एंड द पार्टनर्स इन 100x in general, and that has been the journey for our fundraise. And I think whoever, if you're raising funds from anyone, if they add value to your startup in some or the other way, if they can give you network, if they can give you, we recently Gulab Oils, which is oil company based out in Gujarat, they also showed interest, and now they have such a wide network of offline distribution across India. So if I as a founder will try and do it, it will take me 3 years.
3 years.
With Dishit coming on board, it will, it can happen in 30 days, because he just have to tell his distributors that this is my company, and these are my products. So that I think is important, and that time which is reduced because of these people being present, I think that is helpful.
Okay, so you like all the strategies, set to take the Joy Spoon global and like everything ready, right? So we would be finishing here as we have a very limited time. Yash is very busy today. So Yash, like just 3 tips or 3 strategies I would say you would recommend to D2C founders.
Okay, first is so being a chartered accountant, what I have learned very early in my life is hard work.
Okay.
So without hard work and a little bit of fortune, nothing comes. So you have to hustle every day, trying to, I remember our first meeting with 100x happened at one of the exhibitions in Delhi, where we actually sat, outside in a garden and gave our first interview. But because they had told us, we gave it, and we took a chance. So as a founder, you have to keep taking chances. You have to keep hitting the wall unless and until that works out for you. So hustle and hard work is the first. This thing. Second, I believe unit economics and finance. Coming from a chartered accountancy background, a lot of D2C brands you've seen have burned so much of money. There are brands who've raised 10 crores of funds, utilized it, and they have sales of 10 crores only. That is not how business world works. You're seeing all these ventures now, and startups now, investors are also not just looking after the sales, they are also looking up what's happening in the balance sheet and P&L, and that's what is important, financial discipline for every D2C founders, because you end up burning so much of money in meta ads, you don't realize when the funds are off. So I think financial discipline is second. And third is team building. I think without it, earlier I and Vaishali used to do so many of the tasks in the company. After funds, of course, there is a lot more independency in terms of hiring key resources, and that is very important. So even if you're a bootstrapped startup, as a founder, you should start hiring people who you can delegate work as you scale. Not many, but at least 1 or 2 people should be able to take up your load and the vision. So team building is important. You have to start it right away at whatever stage you are, because you cannot be the one doing all the tasks. And businesses today have become so dynamic. So many things are required. So I think that is important, that you
So the first is hustle and hard work, second is financial discipline, and third is team building.
Yeah.
That is important to create a big brand into D2C or even in the other sectors, right?
Correct.
So thank you so much, Yash. I think you should all try Joy Spoon's मुखवास. बच्चों से लेके बूढ़ों तक, everybody, it's like healthy, tasty, and like complete, like for the munching rather than, unhealthy snacking.
snack.
You should definitely go for mukhwas. Okay, thank you so much, Yash.
Thank you, Priyanka. Thank you for
So
having me.
we have got so many insights, and I think it
I would like
help.
to show you what I had got for the audience.
And yesterday I have visited the Joy Spoons, booth. So I have tried some,
We
creative
recently
work.
launched these special sachets.
Okay, that's
of Joy Spoon.
and it's good for the gifting and corporate
Yes,
gifting
yes.
also.
I think this is something that will be very good and people can try it. We have a sorted box that is coming up. So you can try all our variants at just, price
so
point
it's
of,
Dana Dal, Royal Roasted.
it's, so this is a sampler packet. So
Okay.
these smaller sachets we've launched for weddings.
And very
hampers.
easy to carry.
Carry, yeah.
We can keep in the bags, even in the school tiffins for kids.
So we have a
Wherever-
kids-friendly category where
Okay.
we have especially brought out things which are good for
Because
giving kids.
generally, like as a mother, also we feel to keep some packaged food. As kids are very attracted to this, so we just try to put some chocolates, candy. So rather than keeping, those things, it's I think it's a better option.
Better option, yeah. And we have like a protein mix, so that could be great for kids, and every mother would want to give that. So
Yeah.
those are the things. And this is our new vibrant packaging, like the dress you're wearing.
Yeah.
And that is something that we want every one of you to try.
Yeah, true.
And visit our website. We are there on Amazon, and you can always.
I love your brand name and packaging as
Thank
well.
you,
So
thank you.
beautiful. So we have covered most of the things with Yash. Now is the another co-founder Vaishali with us. So Vaishali is creating the recipes of mukhwas for Joy Spoon. So Vaishali, like we would like to know about the what different you are creating. As I have tasted your mukhwas yesterday, so it was quite delicious, and so we would like to know about the creation.
So basically, like, let me go back to the story behind
Yeah. We would
So
like
it was
to
started, I'm from Rajasthan.
Okay.
So from the idea of my mother and the nani, they used to make everything at home because Rajasthan में there's a tradition कि कोई भी घर पे आता है तो they love to create something at home. वो एकदम home का delicacies, they love it. So like in the time of COVID, everybody was at home and वो घर का खाना was the tradition that time because nobody was wanted to get something out from the outside. तो उसी टाइम पे मेरी मम्मी, नानी, दादी, everybody was like interested in making something at home. कुछ नया हो जाएगा, कुछ something or other than like they used to make it. So from that time only started getting the idea कि हाँ कुछ बना रहे हैं, why not? Because I was all free that time and nothing was happening.
Yeah.
So I started learning from them, and they used to make something out of curry patta from the dry fruits. My mummy make amazing dry fruit chikki at home with with the jaggery, not with the sugar kind of a thing. So it all started, and mukhwas was one of the category that nobody was paying attention to because whatever we get in the market is full of sugar, sapari, preservatives,
Yeah.
and even the packaging is something you get in the plastic pouches.
No
Nobody's paying
branding.
attention to that.
No
There's
branding.
like if I ask you which is your favorite mukhwas brand, so I don't think so you'll able to name it because there's no particular name because
just knowing
99%
Joy
of the
Spoon.
market is unorganized.
Yeah.
So yeah, from help of my nani and mother, I started getting the idea of making mukhwas and all started there. So recently I also created one mukhwas out of millet.
Okay.
Even Modi ji is promoting millet a lot.
Millet.
So we made a mukhwas out of millet with dry fruit seeds, and in that we have used coconut sugar.
Okay.
That is very, very good for health and it's very nutritious. Even a small kid can have it.
Yeah.
And you can, once you start having it, you won't able to stop it because it's too addictive for us. And even the kids love dry fruits and something different,
Something
colorful.
meetha, sweet.
Meetha, sweet. Even it's healthy. So I think from a small kid to even the old one can have.
So
the same.
basically, Joy Spoon, a dadi nani ka Indian recipes,
Yeah,
right?
the touch of love.
Touch of love,
family.
So Indian tradition, yeah.
Right.
Okay. So Vaishali, like as you and Yash being a co-founders and husband and wife, so how's your journey? Like how you managing everything?
So, me and Yash are school friends. We know
Okay.
each other from last 12 years.
Okay, that's
And before marriage, we used to work before my marriage also. So I think sometimes it's good that we know each other very well. कि अगर कुछ तुम कर रहे हो तो I think it's a right only, because अगर कोई third person होता तो we think कि कुछ there might be some difference.
like you have already have a good coordination before, so you have decided.
Yeah, the trust and everything is there between us. The mutual understanding is there. Even he comes late from the office to home,
So you
I know that he is
understand.
there for the work
And he's
only. He's
managing
doing
that
something
work.
for
Yeah.
us only.
Yeah.
So it's very good, and I think we get the help of each other, and because of the understanding and trust, we can work a better way than with somebody else. So yeah.
No, yeah, I can understand and I can relate because we are also the co-founders and husband wife. So I even find it interesting, easy to manage, understanding.
Of
In
course.
fact, what I believe कि वो फालतू के जो घर के झगड़े होते हैं वो खत्म हो जाते हैं.
Time ही नहीं
मिलता है because
That's
either we are business or घर.
the home, right?
Yeah.
That's totally yeah.
Okay, so thank you so much, Vaishali, for giving your precious time and letting us know about Joy Spoon.
Thank you,
yeah.
you guys, for giving me the opportunity to have a conversation.
Yeah. So thank you so much, everyone. I think you should also try the mukhwas from Joy Spoon, and you would really love it.
Thank you.
Thank you.